Today, I would like to show you one of our new hot products. Come, let's have a look. So here with me, I have the HZ7 LEGACY Dump trailer, with some of its main features being the rounded sides, as well as the custom engineered neck. So all of our trailers, they are compliant with the NATM guidelines. And on this trailer, we have a backlit logo, which here at Horizon, we believe every detail matters. Trailers come standard with 10-ply tires, upgradable to 14-ply. Also included in the HZ7, we have the stabilizer bars that you can load heavy equipment. We have the dual action door, swings open barn gate style, or also like a standard dump trailer for spreading gravel with ease. Chains included. Also included are a set of steel ramps with all our dump trailers. So included in the HZ7, we have 4 D-rings on the floor to strap down your equipment. Obviously here in front, we have your toolbox, where we have the KTI pump, battery, storage area for whatever tools you may need to carry. Also up front, we have the dual 10K jacks with the spare tire that comes standard on the gooseneck and is optional in the bumper pull. With the industry-leading design and the unique look, we believe the trailer will stand out in your fleet or on your dealership parking lot. Here at Horizon Trailers, we believe that every detail matters, and we want to provide you, our customer, with the most value.